Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change theme inline. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, go to gear icon. Here scroll down and here you can see themes. Simply tap on it. Now here go to my themes. Now here you can select any of the theme. Now let me select this one. Simply select this one. Simply tap on it and tap on apply now. You need to select only one theme. So as I selected and applied it, you can see that my theme has been successfully changed. So this is how you can change. That is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.